The TnT is the most affordable portable appliance tester from Wavecom. Offering a range of AS&ZS3760 tests and simple test procedures, the TnT is the cutting edge in appliance testing technology. Newer model TnT can conduct Class 1, Class 2, and extension lead tests on battery power. Older models will need to be connected to mains power for all tests. Let's start with a Class 1 test. The Class 1 test consists of an earth bond and an insulation test. First, conduct the visual inspection and identify what type of appliance you are testing. This is a Class 1 earthed appliance. Next, set up your appliance to be tested based on what test it requires. For Class 1 appliances, you'll need the IEC earth clamp. Older model TnT will also require the IEC power cable. Plug the appliance into the appliance test socket. Attach the earth clamp to an exposed piece of metal on the appliance. Then plug the IEC earth clamp into the IEC return socket. Plug the TnT power cable into the rear IEC power socket of your tester. Finally, plug the power cable into a GPIO and switch it on. You can now begin your Class 1 test. From Main Menu A, press F1 to begin the Class 1 appliance test. The TnT will begin testing the appliance. It will run through the testing procedure automatically in sequence, and once the tests are completed, it will display the result on the screen. Let's do a Class 2 test now. This is for double insulated appliances and consists of an insulation test. Conduct the visual test and ensure the appliance is a double insulated appliance. To test Class 2 appliances, you will need the IEC earth clamp, as well as an earth braid or mesh. Older model TnT will also require the IEC power cable. First, plug in the appliance into the appliance test socket. Then plug in the IEC earth clamp to the IEC earth return. Wrap an earth braid or mesh around the appliance to ensure that an insulation reading can be measured. Attach the IEC earth clamp to the earth braid or mesh. Plug the TnT power cable into the rear IEC power socket of your tester. Finally, plug the power cable into a GPIO and switch it on. Press F2 to start the Class 2 test. The test will be conducted and the results displayed on screen. Let's finish up with an extension lead test. The extension lead test consists of an earth bond, insulation, continuity, and polarity test. First, conduct the visual inspection. To test extension leads and power boards, you will need the orange IEC cable. Older model TnT will also require the IEC power cable. Plug in the extension lead to the appliance test socket. Then plug in the orange IEC cable to the IEC earth return. Then plug the orange IEC 550 cable into the extension lead. Don't forget to test each socket when testing power boards. Plug the TnT power cable into the rear IEC power socket of your tester. Finally, plug the power cable into a GPIO and switch it on. Press F3 to begin the extension lead test. The test will be conducted and the results displayed on screen. And that covers the basic appliance tests. To learn more about the TnT, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.